Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen. I hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here. It's called PaidVerts. Okay, so you're on PaidVerts.com, and maybe you landed on this page because of social media. You were shared a link by a friend, and you're wondering, can you really just click and earn from this website? All right, so this is a paid-to-click website, PTC website. I'm going to review it, and then you can decide whether or not you should be spending time on this website. How much money can you really earn? How does it actually work? And then I'm going to give you a strategy where you're going to be able to make way more income than that just by using your internet connection and your laptop or your computer. So stick around till the end of this video. All right. Now, PaidVerts is known as a PTC website where you can literally come on here, watch ads, and make money, right? It's as simple as that. You don't need any skills, and it's a legitimate site. It's been around for quite a few years, and it's one of those websites where you really don't need any skills, which is quite cool, okay? Now, they are actually an ad network, but if you want to be an earner, what you can do is you can click on the earners section on top, right? And you can basically register for free, okay? You can register here by clicking register, right? And all you do is you just fill out your username, your password, your email, stuff like that. And then you can start watching ads and start making money. Now, how this works is each of their ads are roughly about 30 seconds long. And all you need to do is just watch the ads, and they will pay you basically about 0.005 cents. So it's half of 1 cent. All right. So it's not that much money. It's not even 1 cent per video ad. It's actually half of 1 cent, if that makes sense, okay? And so you can make money watching video ads, but you're not going to get rich, right? They don't promise that you're going to get rich. So if you actually go to their earners statistics, you can see that people are making money, but it's very little, right? So these are some of, by the way, there are a lot of people on this website, and some of them are, these are some of the top earners, but it's not that much, okay? So look, it's like in the last 48 hours, these are their top earners, right? So we're talking about $6, $5, $4, $6, $5, $4, $5. You get the idea, right? Now you have to understand that you might be thinking, well, $4, $5, that's not bad in 2 days, but you have to understand that you have to watch hundreds and thousands of ads before you can even get to a $5 mark or a $6 mark, okay? So if you have someone just sitting there clicking for you automatically, then that's not so bad. But you're not going to get rich. You're not going to retire. You're not going to travel the world. I mean, this is not $1 million income at all, okay? But they don't promise you that it will be $1 million income. They're just saying that, look, for investing a little bit of time on our platform, you don't need any skills. You don't need to learn how to market online, nothing like that. You can just watch a few ads, 30 seconds per ad, and we will pay you half of 1 cent for every view that you watch, okay? And you can withdraw your money through PayPal, through Payza, and through Bitcoin, which is pretty cool as well, all right? So a very cool website. Again, you're not going to make tons of money, just a little bit of money, but at least it is a legitimate way to start making money online without any skills. So if you want to check out PaidVerts.com, you can just register here, and you can see that you can make little bits of money, not tons of money, but little bit, right? So you can see here $8, $1, 80 cents, $6, $1, $8, $22, $90. I mean, this is possible, but you're literally, I mean, this guy, JCV, he spent a ton of time on this website. $3, you can see there, right? So little bits of income, not a ton of money, but it is real income. All right, now let me show you a better way to make a lot more money, and I'm going to show you some of my accounts right now. Okay, so this is one of the products I promote. I'm just going to zoom in here so that you can see it. I generated, you can see my name up there, right? Aaron Chen Ziwi, and you can see that I've generated $83,439 reselling this particular product. Okay, here's another product of mine, right? I resold this product. This is somebody else's product. It's not even my own product. I didn't have to create it. I don't have to customer service it. I just join people together with this program, and basically I've generated $98,161. So this is a far cry from what you're seeing here, $18, $6, $5, $4. This is, I mean, we're talking about tens of thousands of dollars here. How did I do this, right? So this is the difference. Doing something like PaidVerts is a real way that you can make money, but you have to understand that it requires zero skill, and it's going to take you a lot longer before you ever see anything like $10,000 or $100,000 on this kind of website. I mean, this will take you years, all right? Now with this, the difference is that the skill level is higher. So when the skill level is low, like this, you earn very little money. All right, there are free websites out there, a lot of them actually, but you're literally earning pennies on the dollar, right? Because it requires zero skill. But when you learn a real skill, a high paying skill, then you're going to be able to see commissions like this, tens of thousands of dollars, okay? Almost $100,000 earned with this particular product. And if you have multiples of this product, this is where it starts to become fun. But this requires a high skill set online. So all I'm doing is I'm finding a group of people online that have a problem they're trying to solve, and I'm going to find a product that will help them to solve that problem, and I just join them together. I become a good connector. That's all it is, okay? And when I recommend these products, I make a commission, and this is how you can see these commissions being paid out, right? So if you would like to learn how to do that, all you need to do is have an internet connection, a computer, and a big why. That means you must really want to do this, okay? And I'll show you how to do it. It's a real skill set. You'll learn how to do it. But it requires you to commit and action this strategy out. Now, if that's you, then all you have to do is just go ahead and register for my free workshop by clicking the link below, okay? Once you click on that link below, on the arrow on the right-hand side, on the next page, register for that workshop, and then check your email. Sometimes it goes into spam, all right? And then go through that training, right? Go through the workshop, and I'm going to show you literally how I did this, how I built out this income, how this changed my life, how I quit from my full-time job in April 2019, how I more than tripled my old corporate salary, and how I teach thousands of people all over the world how to do this right now. It's an amazing skill set. You can literally be based anywhere in the world. You just need to understand how to do it and obviously action it out properly, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this review of PaidVerts. This is a great way to get started, but again, you're not going to get rich using this strategy. This is just pennies on the dollar, but it is a legitimate way. A much, much better way is learning how to connect people with great products, and I would love to teach you how to do that. So I hope to see you on the workshop. I hope you enjoyed this review, and take care. Speak very soon.